Unboxing of Xiaomi 米家扫地机器人 1S, the latest version of the robot vacuum. Of course, this is not Roborock with the mopping function. This is just the enhanced one of the current Xiaomi robot vacuum machine. So first up, open the box. Power cord, one comb. I think this is to remove all the hair stuck in the vacuum. Then you get what is the standard manual and a simple diagram to say what works and what will not work. Underneath the box, nothing here, empty. So this is the machine. This is the sensor. Let's open it up. Sensor with another piece of manual again, just so that you know where everything goes. Put it down by the side. Now let's get to the main machine itself. Let me open it up. Okay, this is how it looks like with the new stuff. I think this is new. This thing is modified, enhanced. What else? Let's see. 打开，张开。Okay, so you get this piece of orange paper, throw it away. Another piece of manual. Okay, so this is where the rubbish all gets stored. Take it out. How do you take this out? Okay. Pretty standard. I think all of you have known the Robot 1 before, so this is just 1S. Thank you.